Welcome to the Wöhler Academy. Learn the basics of inspecting and cleaning ventilation systems in our web-based training course. As a competent instructor, I will guide you step by step through the exciting and informative chapters, which are full of valuable insights and practical tips for your everyday work. This interactive online training course uses engaging videos, interactive elements such as drag and drop exercises, and multiple choice questions to teach you the content. You will be supported in your learning process through the use of clear graphics and practical examples, which will enable you to internalize what you have learned in the long term. This allows you to expand and apply your knowledge step by step. The best thing is that you remain completely flexible. You decide when you start the training and whether you complete it in one session or split up the learning units. Whether on a smartphone, tablet, or PC, web-based training is available anytime and anywhere, so you can complete your learning units both in the office and on the sofa in the evening. This means you remain completely flexible and are not tied to any fixed dates, locations, or time periods. A huge advantage, isn't it? Register now and receive your personal access to the web-based training course, Inspection and Cleaning of Air Ducts.